Hello children, let's continue with our EVS 2 lesson number 18 Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. So in previous links we have completed with our 5 parts up to sea trade and other markets. In this video we will be continuing with our lesson part number 6 High Regard for Women. Let's start. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and children in the enemy camp were not to be harmed in any way during the period of war. In fact, they were to be treated with great respect. The behavior of Shivaji Maharaj on several occasions set the ideal of how women were to be treated. So, Shivaji Maharaj, what he had in his mind or in his heart, that the great respect for women as well as for children. Let it be anything, let it be the period of war or any other occasion, Shivaji Maharaj have respected all the women in his kingdom. The Maratha army had marched upon Belawadi in Karnataka to vanquish the fortress there. Mallamma Desai, a brave woman, fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. When Shivaji Maharaj came to know about her courage, he called her his younger sister, returned her fortress and villages to her with honor and gave her the title Savitri. So, once a time what happened when Maratha was marching means उन्होंने जब बैटल स्टार्ट किया था अगेंस्ट बेलावड़ी इन कर्नाटक, जब उनके फोर्ट्स कैप्चर करने के लिए बैटल्स होने लगे थे, एट दैट टाइम शिवाजी महाराज के आर्मी के अगेंस्ट अ वुमेन वॉज फाइटिंग. शी वॉज मल्लामा देसाई. When Shivaji Maharaj came to know that the woman is fighting for her fort, then he called his younger sister. उन्होंने अपनी छोटी सिस्टर से कहा to give all the forts and villages to her back and give her the title of Savitri. In that way, Maharaj had given a great respect to women. Next, vigilance regarding cleanliness. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in homes and in public places. He issued orders telling people to make a fence of the Nirgudi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, scorpions, insects and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. So what do you mean by vigilance? It means to give special attention. Now Maharaj ने special attention cleanliness के लिए भी दी थी. What did Maharaj had suggested? That each and every person, not only the environment and forest area, but he will keep proper cleanliness around his homes too. He had also suggested to plant bushes of Nirgudi. Nirgudi के bushes की वजह से क्या होता था? छोटे छोटे एनिमल्स जैसे माइस, स्कॉर्पियंस, इंसेक्ट, एंड्स, ये सारी चीज़ें घर में एंटर नहीं होती थी. देन ऑल्सो ही हैव सजेस्टेड fumigation. It means like how we do pesticides and insecticides in today's period, in today's era. In the same way, fumigation is the process of giving fumes of chemicals which destroyed the germs which was very harmful. और health के लिए जो भी चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं थी, जो germs अच्छे नहीं थे, उनके लिए क्या suggest किया था? Fumigation process. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the fort. If garbage piled up in various places, in spite of all this, it was not be thrown down the fort. It was to be burnt on the spot and the ashes were to be used as manure for vegetables grown in backyards. So, tell me kids, उस ज़माने में plastic bags वगैरह थे? No. There were only the leaves, the vegetable waste, ऐसे ही कचरा होता था, राइट. सो व्हाट डिड महाराज हैड टोल्ड कि कोई भी अपना घर का गार्बेज इधर या उधर नहीं फेंकेंगे. दे ऑल हैव टू बर्न इट एंड यूज़ देयर ऐश, मतलब उसकी जो भी राख बचेंगी दे हैव टू यूज्ड एज मैन्योर फॉर द वेजिटेबल्स. सी, उन्होंने गार्बेज के लिए भी कितना सोचा है कि उनसे जलाकर देन उसे मैन्योर या कंपोस्ट की तरह, खत की तरह यूज़ करना है. इन दिस वे गार्बेज इधर उधर, जैसे आज वी कैन से इन टुडेज लाइफ There are so many garbage bags lying here and there. At that time, that all things were reduced. So come to the next page. Page number 75. Shivaji Maharaj's management of forts, guns and firearms, his navy, protection of the environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness and hygiene is a guiding force for us even today. Yes or no? महाराज ने अपनी मैनेजमेंट स्किल हर चीज़ को इतने अच्छे से मैनेज किया डैट दे आर इवन गाइडलाइंस फॉर अस इवन टुडे. हमें भी वैसे फॉलो करना चाहिए सो डैट वी कैन ऑल्सो कीप आवर थिंग्स अप टू डेट, properly manage our things, properly manage our studies, as well as we should maintain cleanliness and hygiene in our house as well as in our surroundings and environment also. Next you have Hindvi Swaraj. Hindvi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belonged, was a Hindvi. Their Raj was Hindvi Raj. सो एग्जैक्टली हिंदवी राज का मीनिंग क्या था शिवाजी महाराज के लिए कि चाहे जो कोई भी जैसा भी कास्ट को बिलोंग करें, दे शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. इट मीन्स दे विल नॉट हैव एनी टॉर्चर, नॉट एनी एक्सटॉर्शन और नथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑल पर्सन्स हैव देयर ओन राइट्स. ही हैड गिवन ईच एंड एवरी वुमेन, लेट इट बी ऑफ एनी कास्ट, लेट इट बी ऑफ the other enemies, he had given respect to women. He had treated all children equally. So he said that Hindvi Swaraj is the kingdom which will have every rights to everyone, no matter what the religion or community is. Next you have religious tolerance. Kids, we will continue the same part in the next video. Till that, read High Regard for Women, Religions regarding Cleanliness and Hindvi Swaraj. Next part I will be explaining you in the next video. Bye bye.